So I have a lot of foreign clients. They will message me asking if I have properties for sale in Subic. And I would always ask, is that Subic Town or Subic Bay Freeport Zone? Because these are two different places. Because around Subic Zambales, the ownership is perpetual, it's lifetime, while inside Subic Bay Freeport Zone, it's just leasehold. Okay, so we have here Attorney Castillo in Subic Zambales to explain to us why Subic Bay Freeport Zone you can only own properties under leasehold rights.
Inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, the lots are owned by the Philippine government. So these are public land. While those outside of Subic Bay Freeport Zone, for example, Olongapo City or Zambales Province, these are already private. So meaning alienable and disposable. So it can be sold, it can be inherited, donated, or leased. So that's the difference between lots inside the Subic Bay Freeport Zone and outside of the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Because inside Subic Bay Freeport Zone, it is public land. So only the Philippine government can sell that land to you. And the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority or the SBMA is not authorized to sell these lands as of now. So they are only allowed to lease the land to private individuals. So that's the reason.
Okay, so that's a simple explanation. If you want to have perpetual ownership, you need to buy around the province of Zambales. But if you're a foreigner who wants to, or of course foreigners are not allowed to own land in the Philippines, you can opt to lease properties in Subic Bay Freeport Zone. So that's it for now. Thank you, Attorney.
You're welcome, Cindy.